Welcome to the Web Development Full Course, presented by Joseph Cambo. This course is copyrighted by Phonotech Store in 2026. Web development is the process of creating and managing websites or web applications that function via the internet. It has three main parts: the front end, which is what you see, the back end, which handles the logic, and the database. A website is a collection of web pages under one domain, like Google or Facebook. A web page is a single page within a website, such as a home page or contact us page, and each has its own URL. HTML, or Hypertext Markup Language, is the language for creating the structure of a web page. Think of it as the bones of a website, forming headings, paragraphs, and links. CSS, or Cascading Style Sheets, is the language used to style the website, defining colors, fonts, layout, and animations. JavaScript makes the website interactive. It is the brain, enabling buttons, pop-ups, and dynamic content. PHP is a backend or server-side language, handling functions like login systems, form processing, and database connections. SQL, or Structured Query Language, is used to communicate with the database. It handles storing, inserting, deleting, and updating data, such as when a user registers on a site. jQuery is a JavaScript library that simplifies writing JavaScript, making DOM manipulation, animations, and AJAX easier. However, vanilla JavaScript is more commonly used nowadays. A protocol is the rule for communication between the browser and server, such as HTTP or HTTPS. URL, or Uniform Resource Locator, is the address of a web page, composed of the protocol, subdomain, domain name, and path. DNS, or Domain Name System, is like the Internet's phone book, translating domain names into IP addresses. FTP, or File Transfer Protocol, is the method for uploading files to the server, often using applications like FileZilla or cPanel. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment on our YouTube channel at Phonotech Store. Visit our website at www.phonotech.store and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok at Phonotech Store. Tell us in the comments what challenges you face. Where have you heard about web development? What would you like us to improve? Are you a web developer? And where are you watching this video from?